The beauty of nature, let's discover. Nature is full of beauty, colors, and amazing living things. It includes everything around us, like trees, rivers, mountains, animals, and tiny insects. Let's explore some of the wonderful parts of nature. Beautiful plants and flowers. Trees give us fresh air to breathe and provide homes for birds and animals. Flowers come in many colors and spread a lovely fragrance. Flowers bloom in many colors and smell lovely. Plants grow from tiny seeds and need sunlight, water, and soil to live. Birds. Birds are flying creatures with feathers. Some, like parrots, can talk, while others, like eagles, soar high in the sky. Birds have feathers and can fly high in the sky. Some sing sweet songs. Butterflies. Butterflies start as tiny caterpillars and then turn into colorful flying insects. They love sipping nectar from flowers. Butterflies love flowers and help plants grow by spreading pollen. Bees. Bees are small, buzzing insects that help plants grow by spreading pollen. They also make sweet honey. Bees make honey and help flowers grow. Ladybugs are tiny and help plants by eating harmful bugs. Fireflies glow in the dark like tiny stars. Animals. From playful squirrels to big bears, nature is home to many creatures that live in forests, rivers, and even underground. Others, like dolphins and fish, live in water. Every animal has a special place in nature. Weather and seasons. Nature changes throughout the year. Spring brings flowers, summer is sunny, autumn has colorful falling leaves. Winter is cold, sometimes with snow and ice. Nature is magical and full of surprises. It's important to take care of it by planting trees, keeping water clean, and protecting animals. Why should we take care of nature? Nature gives us fresh air, food, and a beautiful world to live in. We must protect it by planting trees, keeping water clean, helping animals, not littering.